The common cold is a viral infection that affects millions of people each year, particularly during the colder months. Symptoms such as nasal congestion, sore throat, cough, and fatigue can be quite bothersome. While there is no cure for the common cold, several simple remedies can help alleviate symptoms and promote recovery. Here are some effective approaches to consider. 1. Stay hydrated. Hydration is crucial when you're battling a cold. Drinking plenty of fluids helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel, and relieving nasal congestion. Water, herbal teas, and broths are excellent choices. Avoid caffeinated or alcoholic beverages, as they can lead to dehydration. 2. Rest and sleep. Your body needs time to recover. Adequate rest and sleep are essential for your immune system to function optimally. Aim for at least 7-9 hours of sleep per night. And consider taking naps during the day if you're feeling particularly fatigued. Creating a comfortable sleep environment can enhance your rest. 3. Warm saltwater gargle. A warm saltwater gargle can soothe a sore throat and reduce swelling. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle several times a day. This simple remedy can help keep your throat moist and alleviate discomfort. 4. Honey and lemon. Combining honey and lemon in warm water creates a soothing drink that can help alleviate cough and throat irritation. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, while lemon provides vitamin C, which can support your immune system. Just mix 1 tablespoon of honey with the juice of half a lemon in a cup of warm water for a comforting drink. 5. Steam inhalation. Inhalation of steam can relieve nasal congestion and soothe irritated airways. Fill a bowl with hot water, lean over it, and cover your head with a towel to trap the steam. Breathe deeply for 10-15 minutes. You can also add a few drops of eucalyptus oil for added benefits. 6. Herbal remedies. Certain herbs have been shown to help with cold symptoms. Echinacea is often used to boost the immune system, and ginger can help with throat irritation and nausea. You can consume ginger as a tea or add it to soups and other dishes. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any herbal remedies, especially if you have underlying health conditions. 7. Chicken soup. There's a reason chicken soup is often recommended for colds. It's not just a comfort food. Chicken soup can help hydrate and provide essential nutrients. The steam from the soup may help open nasal passages, and the warmth can soothe your throat. Opt for low-sodium varieties to keep it healthy. 8. Spicy foods. If you can tolerate them, spicy foods can help clear nasal passages and relieve congestion temporarily. Ingredients like chili peppers contain capsaicin, which can thin mucus and promote drainage. Just be cautious, as spicy foods can also irritate a sore throat. 9. Vitamin C and zinc. While research on their effectiveness is mixed, vitamin C and zinc may help reduce the duration of cold symptoms. Consider including citrus fruits, strawberries, nuts, seeds, and whole grains in your diet. Supplements can also be an option, but it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Conclusion. The common cold can be uncomfortable, but these simple remedies can help alleviate symptoms and support your recovery. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and give yourself time to heal. If symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for further evaluation and guidance. Stay healthy.